Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to walk you through to install XAMPP Server on Windows 11. And believe me, it is very easy and it won't take more than 5 minutes to complete this setup. So to install XAMPP, you need to open your browser and search for XAMPP. You need to go to this website Apache Friends, and from there you can download the latest version, that is 8.2.2. Now what is XAMPP? XAMPP is an easy way to run scripts like PHP, WordPress locally, and it is quite handy to test your projects before making them live on internet. And it is also quite handy for students who do not want to invest much to run purchase hosting, etc., to test their project. So that's all about XAMPP. I don't want to waste much time, so we're going to download this and we will click here to download the latest version. I'm going to save it and I'm going to save it in the download folders. So once you downloaded this setup, you will get this installer. Click on it. Sometimes you need to disable UAC, but here I'm not going to do anything. Okay, I will keep it default. If if you do not have much space on C drive, and if you want to customize your installation, change the location, I'm going to keep it C drive, English, and click next. It will take around 5 to 10 minutes because it is going to download everything locally. So let it unpack and complete the installation. So the installation is almost finished. Once it is completed, we can launch the XAMPP server. We'll need to allow a few things. If it prompt. Okay, now this server is installed. To launch XAMPP, you need to search XAMPP. You can launch from here, and the first install I can also start from here. And now to run any PHP script like WordPress, etc., you need to click on Start Apache, click on Start MySQL, click Allow. And now your XAMPP server is working. To launch it, you need to type local host and you will see this dashboard. For example, if you want to create any database, you can go into MySQL. Here you can type the name and create a database. For example, let me create test.db. and your database is created. Okay, if I go into my XAMPP folder and now I want to run a PHP file, how I am going to do it? So to show you how to do it, I go to this folder htdocs and I already created a test.php file which will display. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. I saved it as a.php and this file is here. So now if I go to localhost and then /test.php, it is going to give me the display. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Okay, so I'm doing the self-promotion by quoting. Okay, so this is how you can run a PHP file. For example, if you want to run WordPress, you need to download the WordPress package and extract it and put it in the same htdoc folder that is here, and you can run WordPress also. Okay, so this is how you install XAMPP server on your Windows 11 computer, and it won't take more than 5 minutes. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. If you want to share any suggestion or feedback, please let me know. Thank you for watching. We will meet in next video.